Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you today? We are doing great here in Texas in spite of this hot weather. But what else do you expect? It's June, so of course we have hot weather. But today what we have with this hot weather would be very appropriate if you are at the beach. We have Beachly, yay! Hashtag beach every day. And then we've got warning, there's good vibes, may be contagious. All right. And on this side we have vitamin C for your soul. Yes, ma'am. And then, I don't know, do we have something on this end? Just the warning sign. So, hey, let's get into this Beachly box. Guys, I've signed up for this for another year. So this is my first box for the next year. That means I've had Beachly for 1 year. I have enjoyed it immensely. It's about $95 to $99 a quarter. If you join up for a year, my subscription was around $380. So, but I love the beach. I like to get beachy things. So this subscription suits me. And I know a lot of you out there like this. And I think you can buy, just one at a time. You don't have to sign up for a year. And you can try it out. Or if there's a box that you particularly like, you could just get that one. But we do get to customize a couple of things. And yeah, I don't remember what I customized. But this is a little sneak peek on the inside. They got it covered up with their magazine. And it's the Beachly. And it is our card. And it looks like they've changed their format. It looks like I'm going to have a code. Ooh, joined up for a year and I get to get my phone out. Okay, I got my phone, so let's get the little camera out and I guess take a little picture of this, or at least scan that so I can get to it. And it's going to take me to their little site. And it's got all the summer details, and it says, Aloha sunshine, welcome to all the details of your Beachly summer box. This season we decided to do things a little different to reduce our use of paper and improve the Beachly sustainable, environmentally conscious efforts. Sometimes small changes can make a great impact, and we're all about making waves of change. One step at a time. Are you ready to learn more about your summer box? I sure am. And I can't wait to share the details. So we're going to get ready for the summer box. It says, get ready. This season, we're bringing you $300 value. So I paid $90. Well, I guess I might have paid $80 or $85. I'm getting a $300 value because it captures the vibrance of salty, sandy summer days spent soaking up the sun with those we love the most. All the beach-bound essentials inside your box are thoughtfully designed with tropical prints, pops of color, and the promise of endless summer ahead. So the first thing I'm seeing is I'm going to pull it out of here. It's called the Shoreline Picnic Cooler Bag. Look at this, guys. This is the first thing, and this is nice. I love this. It is backpackable. Also has 2 straps that you can carry it, so it is versatile in the way that it can be carried. On the inside, you have like a cooler type insulation. I guess it's kind of like a bucket. So you can tote several things in here, and also if you have a wetsuit or something or get something wet, it's not going to ruin it. There are no pockets on the inside. It is just this little cooler here. And like I said, it's very nice. Let's read a little bit about it. This is the Shoreline Picnic Cooler Bag, and it has a retail value of $99. And it's a summer staple that is both super stylish and functional, from farmer market finds to the beach bound essentials. The cooler turned backpack keeps everything beautifully intact for all those hot days on the horizon, with vegan leather straps and the outside of the customized print cooler lined inside. This bag is about to be your summer day sidekick. And I think they're probably right. That's really cool. I love that. That is really unique. I've never seen anything quite like that, and I like all the wovenness on it. But isn't that nice? I just love that. That is really nice. I love that woven fabric. That is cool. All right, see why I like the Beachly so much? Our next item is, let me dig it out of here. It's kind of big. It is the cutting board. Look at this, guys. It's a palm leaf cutting board. This has a retail price of $44. And this is a carved of natural bamboo. Yeah, isn't that awesome? I'm trying to get into it. I want to show it to you. And I don't want to lose my spot on my phone either. But this is natural bamboo. And it's from Beachly. It's the Monstera engraved bamboo board. And it is engraved. I can feel that on there. So that is really cool. Let's read about this product. And it's big. See how I'm having to hold it out in front of you so you can use it for lots of different things. This is a carved natural bamboo in the shape of a monstera leaf. The Beachly exclusive serving board is detailed in a laser cut design that is perfect tropical complement to any summertime party or beach picnic. Style it with your kitchen counter for a Beachly chic touch, or bring it along to all your seaside adventures all summer long. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Now, isn't this unique? You just don't get these kind of items in other boxes. So it's well worth the money, I think. Now, my next item is called, it's by a product, the team Aloha Pocket Tee. So that indicates a shirt, a t-shirt. So let's see what they have in store for us. Looks like it is kind of a, I guess like a tan color. It retails for $44. And this is an item that is a customized choice in the Beachly summer box for select sizes. So I got an extra large, and I got this color apparently. I don't really care for the color of the shirt, but it'll be okay. I mean, I'll still wear it, and I wear most of my t-shirts around the house. This is 100% cotton, so yeah, I'll definitely wear this. I love cotton shirts. And it's got the Aloha team on back. Can you see that? And like I said, it's kind of a tan, maybe it's a tan orangey color. But that's not my favorite color, I'll just say that. But it says this is a customizable choice in the Beachly summer. And we selected our sizes. There were 3 sizes were given the option between the Team Aloha Pocket Tee by Guava, Hawaii, or the Color Pop Turkish beach towel. Okay, well, that would explain why I picked the t-shirt, because I've got plenty of towels and I didn't need any more. So I chose that because of my choices. Okay, so let's go on to the next item. We have something called the Waimea hair tie scarf. So that'll be our next item. And that is right here. And it looks to be pink and black, so it'll probably kind of go with what I have on today, which is pretty nice. And I love that the little scarves are coming back into style. This here has a $20 value. I love the color of it. And this is just going to be like a tie. And then you would have your little strings hanging down, or strings. You would have the scarf part hanging down off your hair. That must be something really popular, because you're seeing a bunch of these right now. And I'm going to leave it on here. It says secure your salty strands with this perfectly tropical print hair tie. And there's an added bonus. You can untie the longest piece of the endless styling options. This 2-in-1 can be tied as a scarf, a scrunchie, a bracelet, a headband, or even a knotted accessory to your favorite handbag. Those are all plus things. You know, it might go on my little cooler bag there. It might look real stylish on the side of it, just to add a little pop of color. So yeah, I like that idea. Okay, my next item is a pair of Diff charitable eyewear sunshades, and this is the Bella Sunglass by Diff, and it has a retail value of $75. And I can tell you, I use the Diff glasses quite a bit. I've gotten them in other boxes and I really like them. I'm gonna take these out of here and see what they look like. And they do usually run around $75 to $100, so that's not unusual. And let's check these out. I'm going to have lots of stylish sunshades, I'll have to say, between this and my other boxes. But let's take a look. What do y'all think? How do they look? They look pretty good. Let's read about it. It says, this item is a customizable choice. Well, I can see why I picked it. And it says it's a Beachly Summer Box. Members were given the option to choose between the Bella Sunglasses by Diff or the Endless Summer Throw by XIX Palms. Alright, well, that's another reason I picked sunshades, because I will wear these sunshades and I have more throws than I can count probably, and don't need any more, and I really like these. What do y'all think? Alright guys, they say that the Diff donates about 1,400,000 pairs of reading glasses to individuals in need around the world, handcrafted with designer quality materials. If you're looking for a pair of sunshades that do a lot of good for other people, you might want to check them out. And that was Diff. Okay, our next item says a Beachly Beauty Fave, and it says a value of $18, so that must be this. And it's a hydrating face mist. A special thanks to being a loyal part of the Beachly, we're giving you an extra dose of vitamin C with a splash of sunshine to celebrate the summer season with this beauty surprise. Enjoy surprise clean, cruelty-free, coastal-inspired beauty product all season long. You deserve it. Hint, hint, your surprise fave is from one of the following brands. So I could have gotten Earth Harbor, I could have got Kula, Beach Rinse, French Girl, Hanalei, EIR, NYC, I'd say New York City, which that's what I have, or Pirate, Little Scrub, Hona, Hawaiian Skincare, and or Soon, or Finn and Company. So I'm happy with this. This is a hydrating mist, and we already know that my box totals $300, and it says I can give 25 and get 25. So if you're interested in the Beachly, I'll have my code down there, and what that means is they'll give you $25 off your first box subscription, and they'll give me $25 to use in their store. So if you're interested in getting this particular box, there's probably still time to get the summer box, then I encourage you to use my code. I wanted to see how this mist was. Sometimes I spray these things, and I mean they practically get you wet, but this one's nice, and it has a nice little scent to it. So I'm going to enjoy this. It says it's aloe and rose infused with water with witch hazel, and it's a based toner that refreshes and hydrates the skin. Great for removing sunscreens, dirt, oil, and makeup. So I guess I could use it for a toner, and you can spritz it. Of course, close your eyes and let it dry, or you can put it on and spritz and use a cotton ball to remove your makeup. So hey, that'll be a dual purpose, and I love that. So that was my Beachly. What do y'all think? Do you have a favorite item? Okay, well, I know I can eliminate the t-shirt. It's okay, but it's not going to be my favorite. Oh my goodness, this is just hard. Okay, I really like my palm etched entree leaf cutting board as a recap, and I do like this little headband, and I like it even better that I can repurpose it and use it on my bag. And I think this backpack, it's going to be between the backpack and the sunshades. Those are my two favorite things. Obviously I can't just pick one, and I'm going to put this on here to add a little pop of color. And I'm going to use my t-shirt, but as I always tell y'all, I usually wear t-shirts just around the house. So this might be one of my new sleepwear t-shirts, or I'll take it with me to the beach on my next trip. And I do wear t-shirts sometimes in the room. Like I said, I'm not a big t-shirt wearer out and around, but I am at home. I wear them. And then of course I got my sunshades, and those are some of my favorites. And then I got the spritz, which is really nice. It smells good too. So this was a great box. I have not been disappointed with the Beachly boxes. I'm going to give you one more look with my sunshades, and then I'm going to have my bag. So I'll have my two favorite things that I can just throw on my shoulder, and I'll be set to go to the beach. What do you think, guys? All right. Well, that's all I have today for the beach leaf. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And again, if you're interested, I'll have that code down in my description. And I do have a few surprise giveaways that's still open, and they will be closing soon because some have been open for over a month. So be looking at that. Be looking for winner announcements. It'll be surprise announcement. I think it's a winner announced surprise giveaway. I think that's how I always have it set up. So be sure and be on the lookout for that. But as for today, that's all Miss Jackie Russell has. I want to thank you all for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are here all the way to the end, you are super special, and I love all of you. Even if it was 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it was. That is great, and I do appreciate each and every one of you and your time that you take to watch my videos. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.